Looking for an electric works? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 best electric woks available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect electric woks for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 7 on our list. We have the 14 inches carbon steel wok with helper handle. Are you looking for a cooking wok that can be used on a grill or an electric stove? Then this wok from Wok Shop might be an excellent choice for your culinary needs. When cooking your own dishes, the wok is made of unseasoned thick carbon steel, which provides for rapid and equal heat dispersion. Its wooden handle, blonde, side spool handle, and arrangement make cooking a breeze and enjoyable experience. Not to mention the tiny depression in the center that prevents the wok from entirely resting on a flat surface, therefore increasing its stability. The flattened diameter is about 622 and allows for uniform heat dispersion over the induction array. One characteristic which adds a bonus for this particular wok is its capability to not just enable even distribution of warmth, but also even cooling system. Seasoning is needed before utilizing the wok to provide it mileage and protect against rusting. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 6 on our list, we have the Origins K Wok. The Origins of pure carbon steel wok is 14 inches in diameter. Because the wok's base is level, it may be used with a gas burner, an induction cooker, or an electric stove. You may improve your cooking degrees by using this carbon steel wok. Stir frying causes vegetables to become crispier. Cooking poultry, pork, or fish makes them soft and juicy. You may have a large cooking area with all of the bowl shapes. You don't have to be concerned about food spilling out of the pan if you toss them in. It is more comfortable to use because it has a plastic handle. You can also keep your hands from getting burned. At number 5 on our list, we have the MV Trading 12 inches carbon steel wok with helper handle. MV Trading provides you with the most effective flat bottom carbon steel. It is made for anyone who has horizontal stove tops. Additionally, to enjoy stir-fry cooking in a wok, since conventional woks cannot do that. Unlike conventional wok, this one also includes a lot of fancy layouts, giving it a contemporary and fashionable appearance that fits superbly into any kitchen. The drawback here is that lacking a round floor means that you're restricted in just how much salty and deep frying you can perform with it. However, its flat bottom makes it usable by most, and therefore it is a fantastic trade-off. You may put it in any of 3 sizes, such as 12, 14, and 16 inches, so as to accommodate the number of individuals that you intend to cook for in a go. Do note anyhow, the bigger versions are more expensive compared to smaller ones. At number 4 on our list, we have the Joyce Chen flat bottom wok. This apartment base 14-inch wok boasts a heavy gauge and uncoated carbon steel frame with a protective handle resistant to heat. The conventional household size wok is ideal for cooking a broad array of meals and is ideal for use on petrol, electric, and induction stoves. The carbon steel wok is mild with just 2 phenolic handles on either side, making it simple for the consumer to select it once cooking is completed. At number 3 on our list, we have the Sur La Table Professional Nonstick Wok. Sur La Table 14-inch wok is among the very best flat bottom wok for stir frying, deep frying, and ideal for glass tops, etc. It's lightweight and easy to carry. Sur La Table carbon steel wok is 143 in diameter with a flat underside, which is user-friendly on several different heating surfaces such as gasoline, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. It's strongly encouraged that you it correctly for long-term performance, and if you wash it, you ought to immediately wash it to stop it from rusting. The very best thing about carbon steel is the fact that it warms fast, it spreads heat evenly, which is ideal for high-heat cooking. This wok comes with a solid walnut handle. The management structure is exceptional and is excellent for simple maneuverability. At number 2 on our list, we have the Joyce Chen carbon steel wok. This beautiful Joyce Chen wok has a diameter of 14 inches and includes a 25-year guarantee, which demonstrates how positive the producers are with this item. The surface of the best carbon steel wok is smooth, scratch-free, and manages very nicely. Made from carbon dioxide, the inside of the item is non-stick. It's a pretty thick wall in 1.5 millimeters. It's a metal frame and birchwood grips. These grips make it easy to pick up and reverse. There's a large deal on both sides and also a bigger helper handle right contrary to it. This is just another reason it is excellent for flipping. The wok is horizontal in the base. This usually means you could put this to use on electrical, gas, and electric stoves. Although it's fairly smooth, the curved sides prevent food from spilling from it once you turn or flip it. Like most kitchen cookware, the carbon steel wok comes with an oil coating on it if it arrives. It was employed to avoid some rust from forming during storage and transit. This coat has to be scrubbed off using water and soap. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Kraft Wok traditional hand-hammered carbon steel POW wok. This is only one of those commercial-grade traditional carbon steel woks that supply all the qualities of a delicate utensil that assists in cooking. It consists of a 1.8mm carbon steel sheet that offers par caliber of quality. This is among those true designs of the Kraft wok. With this round underside conventional Chinese wok, you can obtain compatibility with virtually all these cooktops, whether it is electric or gas. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.